Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to activate your Coinbase card in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, getting your card up and running is easier than ever, thanks to the latest updates. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need a verified Coinbase account, the physical Coinbase card that was delivered to you, and the Coinbase app installed on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, head to your app store and get it now. It's free and essential for managing your crypto. Step 1. Open the Coinbase app and log in using your email, phone number, or biometric login. Security is top-notch in 2025, so you might see advanced options like facial recognition. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Cards or Wallet section. This is usually found in the main menu at the bottom of the screen. Look for an icon that resembles a card or your wallet. Step 3. Select your Coinbase card from the list. If it's your first time, the app will prompt you to begin the activation process. You'll be asked to enter some details, like the card's unique code printed on the back. Step 4. Verify your identity. Coinbase might send a one-time code to your email or phone, or use AI-powered verification for a quicker setup. Just follow the on-screen instructions to confirm it's you. Step 5. Link your card to your Coinbase wallet. Choose which cryptocurrencies or funds you want to connect, and set any spending limits to keep things secure. Step 6. Finally, hit the Activate button to complete the process. The app will confirm everything, and your card should be ready to use in minutes. Pro tip: test it out with a small transaction to ensure it's working smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully activated your Coinbase card and can now spend your crypto like cash. If you run into any issues, check the Coinbase Help Center or contact support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech and crypto tips. See you in the next video.